This is how you remove yellow underarm stains from clothes easily and quickly. Take a bowl and add a cup of liquid soap. Then add a tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide or 40 volume peroxide, a key ingredient for whitening and stain removal. Next, squeeze the juice of 1 lemon, as its acidity helps break down the stains. After that, add a large glass of hot water, which will activate the ingredients and enhance their effect. Mix well until all the components are fully integrated. Then take the garment with yellow underarm stains and soak it in the mixture for 20 minutes. Make sure the stained area is fully submerged. After the time has passed, simply scrub a little, and you'll notice how the stains come out quickly. Finally, rinse the garment with cold water and wash it as usual. Just look at the difference between both underarms. They'll look as good as new.